you are going to play the cow game. Okay, so point to the front of the cow. Okay, now point to the right side of the cow. Okay, now point to the left side of the cow. Okay, now where do you think the eyes might be? Okay, where do you think the ears will be? Oh, okay. How about the tail? Point down. Point down. Okay, what about... What do you think? Was that the tail? Was that the tail? Okay, now you can... Okay, now whatever you think it is, you can't say nothing, okay?
Okay.
Okay.